Right, to find the equation of a line in space which passes through P, which has coordinates 1, 0, minus 1, and Q, which has coordinates 3, minus 2, minus 3. Right, to find the equation, we use the formula R is equal to P plus lambda PQ. Right, PQ is our direction vector there. So our equation is equal to, our P is 1, 0, minus 1, plus lambda times PQ. PQ is equal to OQ minus OP. So OQ is 3 minus 2 minus 3. Then minus OP. Our OP is 1, 0, minus 1. So the equation there is equal to 1, 0, minus 1 plus lambda multiplying 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2 minus 0 is negative 2, negative 3 minus negative 1 is negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. So our R is equal to 1, 0, minus 1 plus lambda 2 minus 2 minus 2. Our R there is X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z is equal to 1 plus 2 lambda, 0 plus negative 2 lambda, which becomes negative 2 lambda, negative 1 plus lambda times negative 2, which is negative 2 lambda. Right, so for a parametric equation, our parametric equations will be X is equal to 1 plus 2 lambda, Y is equal to negative 2 lambda, and Z is equal to negative 1 minus 2 lambda. These are our parametric equations. Then for Cartesian equations, our Cartesian equations, we are going to make lambda the subject of formula. So to make lambda the subject of formula, remember we said our parametric equations, X is equal to 1 plus 2 lambda, X is equal to 1 plus 2 lambda, Y is equal to negative 2 lambda, and Z is equal to negative 1 or negative 2 lambda. Making lambda the subject of formula, we are going to have X minus 1 is equal to 2 lambda. Then we divide both sides by 2. So lambda is going to be equal to X minus 1 over 2. Then making lambda the subject of formula there, we are going to divide by negative 2 by negative 2. So our lambda is equal to negative y over 2. Then for Z there, we are going to make lambda the subject of formula. So we are going to have Z plus 1 is equal to negative 2 lambda. Dividing both sides by negative 2 by negative 2. So our lambda is equal to Z plus 1 over negative 2. Right. This can further simplify to lambda is equal to 1 minus Z over 2. So our Cartesian equation is going to be lambda is equal to X minus 1 over 2, which is equal to minus Y over 2, which is equal to 1 minus Z over 2. That's our Cartesian equation. Thank you.